The 3 most important keys to understanding effective bodybuilding nutrition. Let's break down and simplify this important aspect of bodybuilding. You basically need to understand 3 things about nutrition. 1. The main purpose for each of the 3 macronutrients, which are protein, carbohydrates, and fat. 2. The right ratio, or the correct percentages, of protein, carbohydrates, and fat that your food should be divided into in order to meet your bodybuilding goals. 3. The number of calories you should consume to meet your specific physique enhancement goals. Good nutrition seems much easier when it is broken down and you look at it from that perspective, doesn't it? But what do the 3 macronutrients do for our bodies? What ratio of our food should be allocated to protein, carbohydrates, and fat? How do I determine how many calories I should eat? I'll attempt to answer those questions and a whole lot more. If you would like more information on this topic, leave a comment. Just say yes on the comment section. Those questions about nutrition provide a wide range of answers that are not necessarily easy to find. But with experimentation, patience, and persistence, you'll eventually figure out what's best to help you reach your personal goals. Unfortunately, there are no easier ways around this fact. There are no magic numbers, solutions, or formulas that I, nor anyone else, can give you to make the process effortless no matter what you are told. These answers not only vary from person to person, they also can vary within the very same person during different periods of time. Many inexperienced, sometimes even experienced, gym regulars believe that muscles grow while lifting weights. However, lifting weights forms only a small fraction of the muscle building process. Muscle development takes place at night during deep sleep, when the body synthesizes new cells with nutrients from our diet. Therefore, nutrition forms a very important part of a bodybuilding program. The body utilizes nutrients in food to perform daily metabolic, and what's commonly referred to as the wear and tear processes. With bodybuilding, additional strain is put on the body to make new muscle tissues. Therefore, the nutrient requirements also shoots up to stay with the demand. The best bodybuilding nutrition comes from a balanced intake of carbohydrates, adequate protein, vitamins, minerals, fats, and large amounts of water. So if you are serious about getting lean and ripped, it's time to say goodbye to mayo burgers, colas, and other synthetic foods. Adopt eating habits which including fruits, whole grains, milk, eggs, and fresh farm products. How much protein do I need? One may ask. Your growing muscles need amino acids to create new tissues, and the amino acids are provided by protein in diet. There is a lot of debate on the exact quantity of protein required in bodybuilding. The caution to maintain, however, is that extreme amounts of protein in the diet can cause gastric and renal complications. Some studies have suggested that a protein intake of 1 to 1.4 grams per unit of body weight is adequate to sustain the bodybuilding process. This means that the protein requirement of a 70 kilograms individual should be around 70 to 98 grams. To give an estimate of the amount involved, consider the following. A 100 gm chicken breast has 22 grams of protein, a glass of milk has 8 grams, an egg approximately 5 grams, and a slice of bread 3 grams. A word of caution against the tide of bodybuilding supplements in markets. Many times you come across advertisements proclaiming, gain 9 kilograms or 20 pounds of muscle in 3 months flat. Stay clear of these money-hungry advertisers. Building lean muscle takes time and effort. Making use of synthetic products which alter body's natural mechanism would offset what should be your real purpose in bodybuilding, which is to keep the body fit and healthy. Supplements should be to supplement your body's nutritional requirements. Bodybuilding, it's not, the more the better. Rather, it is the more precise the better. Don't overexert, eat balanced food, and include plenty of rest. With everything good in life, patience, commitment, and balance will guarantee your success. With these tips in mind, you are all set to pump iron. Thank you for watching.